Hi, I'm Irini. And in Greece, we use vegetables in our cuisine a great deal in the summer months with such an abundance of vegetables. And very often, one way that we enjoy eating them is in fritters. So if you beat the Greek islands, you will get courgette fritters, olive fritters, tomato fritters. Today I'm going to show you these, which are my favorite actually of all fritters, and they're made with courgette. We will draw out the moisture of courgettes the same way we draw out the moisture of cucumber when we make the zucchini. They retain a lot of moisture, and we don't want the fritters to be really squashy and falling apart when we eat them. So I'm going to grate the courgettes and then use quite a bit of salt, mix it all up, let the courgette sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then squeeze all the moisture out. And mix it with some of these delicious ingredients that you see, like feta, eggs, herbs, and everything else that will give them that flavor. Then I'm almost done. I will put it in a colander. Actually, what you see here in the colander, which will really help me squeeze the liquid out, is a little food bag. You could use a piece of muslin, or you could use the colander. It's just be prepared afterwards to use your hands quite a lot to squeeze as much of the water of the cucumber out of it. So, off the window. The salt will take about 10 minutes to draw the moisture of the cucumber out. So just take a generous pinch or two. The salt, and use your hands to massage it a little bit. Leave it to the side to sit for a bit.
We have the courgette drained already of its liquid, so in order to make the fritters, we put in a bowl the courgette, we add some cumin. I used a mixture of herbs, parsley, mint, and some dill, but I'm also using some dried oregano, some crumbled feta. Feta goes very, very well with many vegetables, and we use it a lot in fritters that we make. Some plain flour, some self-raising, which will make them beautiful and puffy, some salt, some pepper, a generous grinding, in fact, of pepper, and then I have some beaten egg. I won't put all of it at once because I want to mix it all and see what it feels like in my hands, and then I will use the rest. Yes, they will take all the egg because we need it to be soft enough and bound together so we can take it in our hands and make balls.
So when we roll the fritters in our hands and then cover them with panko crumbs, which will give them the crunch, we are not going to fry this, we're going to air fry them. It is nice to pat them a little bit to flatten them. That will help them cook all the way through. I personally think they look nicer. Now, in order for the fritters to be crispy, they need a bit of fat. And obviously, we are going to put them in an air fry. We're not going to deep fry them. Actually, one could argue they're much healthier this way. What we'll do is spray them with a bit of oil. Here, I've got actually very good extra virgin olive oil. And I used to spray that, and then I'll put them in, cook them for 10 minutes at 180, turn them over, cook them for another 5, and they will be done. So we'll start by chopping some chili, fresh chili. Now, with anything that is hot and spicy, Greek food is not very spicy. So it is totally up to you how spicy you want something spicy to be. And so, if I got this bowl and I put everything in, it is quite easy. The feta is already crumbled. You have the quantities in the recipe. I will chop the flame roasted pepper, which is delicious. It's very sweet, but feta is savory and salty. The pepper obviously is hot, the chili, and therefore the sweetness will actually be very nice, but it will also give it a very pretty color. So I'm going to use all the pepper. Let's use chili flake, a bit of vinegar, and some extra virgin olive oil. And now we use a fork to bring everything together. Taste at the end in case it needs a little bit of salt or it needs a little bit more vinegar.